Good morning, everyone. Well, Apple TV Plus is making a lot of noise with Roar, a new anthology series where each installment uses a bit of dark humor to paint a picture of what it's like to be a woman today.
There's a lot of photos missing.
I ate them.
What?
Academy Award winner Nicole Kidman stars and executive produces Roar, an 8-part anthology series created by the team who brought the sparkle to the critically acclaimed series Glow.
When people ask about the show, I like to offer the titles of some of the other episodes, things like, The Woman Who Lived on a Shelf, The Woman Who Disappeared, The Woman Who Found Bite Marks on Her Skin, and invite people to take them literally.
In a dark comedic way, Roar spotlights real issues women face every day all over the world.
Elisa is a woman who is going through, I think, a period of great uncertainty in her life, and she begins to date a duck.
You heard right. Merritt Weaver's character is dating a duck.
I really don't know how you ladies do it.
Well, witchcraft, mainly.
And addressing the age-old question, can women have it all, is Emmy, Grammy, and Tony Award winner Cynthia Erivo.
Her name's Amia. She is a high-flying businesswoman.
It's Mommy's first day back to the office this week.
I don't want you to go. Don't go.
Her first child is 6, and her second child is just born. And it's the intersection of having to go back to work after just giving birth and trying to be there for both. So trying to be a really good mother, but also still trying to be completely present at work and still be the performer that she is. And essentially not being able to do that as well as she wants to begins to make her feel guilty, and thus it starts to eat at her.
Life's problems seem to physically manifest in each episode.
Who would do this?
My character's a ghost. I play Becky in the episode The Woman Who Solved Her Own Murder, who finds herself increasingly frustrated by the detectives that seem to be using her murder as more of an excuse to explore their own emotions than to actually find the perpetrator, and she's forced to take things into her own hands. A big theme of the episode is women not feeling seen and not feeling heard.
And if actress Alison Brie was really invisible?
I would probably just run around naked everywhere. Wouldn't that be fun if nobody could see you? You'd just be like, I'm naked at the park! I'm naked at the beach! Nobody knows!
Oh, if I am a ghost, why am I still getting cramps?
Oh, Alison Brie. Everyone, Roar is now streaming on Apple TV Plus. So would you do what Alison Brie would do if she were invisible? Would you run around and go, I'm naked in the park?
Probably not.
For some reason, I still want to go steal stuff from banks.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You would?
Maybe.
I don't know. But it's an interesting series, and I haven't watched it yet, but I definitely would.
Oh,
Okay.
With a cast like that.
All-star.
I'm glad to hear you'll watch it.
Yeah, I would.
Okay, good.
I like anthology series and
Right,
stuff.
right, right.
Because
okay.
it's not, like, I know, like, she already said that she dies in hers, but it's fun. It looks
Yeah.
funny.
Right. Okay,
So it's
gotcha.
not, like, there's no ghost popping out. She's
Right.
already the ghost, and she looks cute and...
Right.
All right. Thanks, Soj.